Hello traders, Sham here. Welcome to AlgoStreets Market Analysis, where we decode markets using systematic rule-based approach. Let me explain what happened today and what to expect tomorrow.
Let me start with previous day's close. Previous day close was neutral. It has closed higher part of that neutral range S1 to R1. But if you see on Friday's open was neutral. It tried to break S1, but buyers are so strong that it got rejected. And even the second candle also closed above S1. Even if you see the third candle, it shows the strong buyers from this pattern. But as per our algo, we need to wait for any buy signal confirmation. So we didn't get any buy signal over here. In most of the cases, if you see any rejections, yeah, above S1, then we can 70% of the time we can expect that it rotates to R1. So even me, I have waited for the signal to occur here around S1. So I have waited patiently, and if you see, there is a signal around here, 122, 26, 122. So this is a 1 is to 1 trade. So most of my users played this one. So here on dashboard, we always suggest if primary target as 1 is to 1. So after that, it's all in user's hands whether to carry or to close that position. So on Friday, we got one is to trade. So I have expected after breaking this one and by giving this entry, I expected it will move until here, but unfortunately, we got only 1 is to 1 and then it broke. At the end, final part of the session, it broke completely below S1 and it touched S2. So if you see whatever levels that we have given S1, R1, S2, R2, so it has rotated, it has spent majority of the time near S1. Once it break S1, it came to S2. Similarly, once it sustains above S1, it tries to move to R1. If it sustains above R1, it goes further. So these four values you can use in that way. I will show you what other signals that we got in Nifty and Sensex. So this is Nifty, this is Sensex, and this is Bank Nifty. In Sensex, we didn't get any signal, but in Bank Nifty we got one sell signal. See, Bank Nifty opened here. After opening, half an hour we got a sell signal, and immediately it dragged down, but we didn't get any entry. So it's almost there, but we didn't get any entry in Bank Nifty. But it has moved 15 on 40, almost 300 points. It has moved 300 points. So if you are lucky, if you get any entry here, we can play this one. So don't guess the entries, just follow the system, and whatever entries it gives, just play according to that. It gives clear stop losses. So whichever system that says stop loss preciously, that's the best system. So first we need to know about our stop losses than our targets. So yeah, you can use it in that way. Now let me move on to show you what we can expect for Nifty on Monday session. So if you observe the close was bearish. It has broke down our TS1. It's completely bearish, but we need to see how it opens tomorrow. If it opens above S1 and if it sustains over here and if you get any buy signal, you can easily expect a 70% of probability to R1. If you see any buyers, if it takes these sellers that present on Friday and if it sustains about 26 155, then you can easily expect our all 26 to 64, our swing resistance. If it opens below R S1 or if it sustain, if it gives us any sell signal near S1, then we can expect a further down move. So for tomorrow's, you will have a rotation from S1 to R1, from R1 to S1. This is our regular rotation that we always do with using R1 and S1. Extensions below S1, if you find any sellers here until SS, we can target until 850, 850, 887. On the upside, if you see any buyers, if it able to sustain above R1, this is more bullish case. So we need to look whether it is sustaining above 26 151 or not. If it sustains, then we can easily target another 100 points from here. This should be our Nifty plan for Monday. Let me show you two more stocks that we can focus for Monday. One is Paytm. Paytm is in our position watch list. It has given a good entry. So upside potential, we target potential, we have 9%. So we can, so people who are interested, they can try to look this Paytm. Try to enter as close to this one. Entry point is 1261 to 1267. So another stock is Navin Floor. Yeah, this one is in setup ready. So we need to wait for the entry. Entry at 5916. Entry at 5916. Now it is trading at 5982. So if you get an entry near over here, yeah, this is one more stock that you can watch for. Hope this video is useful. Please comment, like, subscribe. Thank you. See you in next video. This is how systematic trading works. No emotions, just rule based decisions. Follow these levels, manage risk, and let the system work.